Today, we're grilling filet mignon on our Traeger grill. Let's get cooking. Today's cooking temp, 450 degrees. We will carefully get this all set. Hit enter, hit ignite. We are good to go. The steaks that we've got today are about 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick. These are 10-ounce choice filet mignon. So very nice size, very beautiful steaks. What we're gonna do is use a little bit of oil on here, right, to act as that binder to help get these guys ready to be seasoned. Now, I'm gonna do the seasoning process while the grill is preheating. So we've got that fired up and ready to go, reaching that 450 degree temperature, and then we'll let these guys soak while that grill comes up to temp. So a little bit of oil, get that all set and ready to go. And now what we're gonna go ahead and do is season. And I always say season as much or as little as you like. And then I've got a fun little trick for you here. Once we season both sides, when it comes time to seasoning the edges, I like to just roll it through the seasoning, pick up some of that seasoning like that, make sure everything is good to go. And look at that, we are set. Now, like I said, we'll season off this other guy. We'll go ahead and let these sit while that grill heats up. All right, we are preheated. We loaded those steaks on there. Grill is at 450 degrees. So now the beauty of the Traeger sear is you don't have to flip these if you don't want, but we're gonna come back and check on these guys in about 8 minutes, see where we're at temperature-wise, and then we will flip them because I wanna see a little bit of that char, show you a little bit of that searing that we got, but I'll tell you, smells fantastic. Here we are right after 10 minutes. Look at that sear. Let's check in here on temperature real quick and see where we are. We're going for medium doneness today. Looks like we are at 98 degrees, so we'll go ahead and flip both these guys. All right, now that they're both flipped, we're gonna go ahead and let them go for probably another 5 to 8 minutes, you guys, before we check back in here. Our doneness temperature today, we're going for 125 degrees. We just hit that magic temperature. We are good to go. Look at the amazing sear and crust on that steak. That is perfect. Well, a big shout out to Michael for your suggestion to create this dish because now I have lunch. Hey, I'll tell you what, grilled filet mignon on the Traeger grill is absolutely delicious. And you know what goes great with this? Steak fries. And that video is coming up next.